All right, so I've been playing around with my board here and this idea that the numerals were designed by somebody who was using this geometric pattern to create the symbols, and that they managed to do so, and in the process were able to incorporate the length of the value of the number they were creating a design for. So this pattern is a series of consecutive square root radius circles. That means the first circle has a radius of 1, or the square root of 1. Second circle has a radius square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 4, and so on. And so in the last two videos, I was just showing you how not only do the numerals incorporate the value of the number, but they also have that number of square roots. So the symbol for 2 has the length of 2 root 2. The symbol for 3 has the length of 3 root 3 incorporated into its design. You can connect 2 points and have that line, the 3 root 3. 4 root 4, that's 4 lengths of 2, is defined in that shape by specific points. 1, 2, 3, and then the fourth one is incorporated in this line that is 2 units of the square root of 3. So I thought, what about the numeral for the number 5? And yeah, I already noticed that if you draw a line from here, so we're on the 5th circle, first of all, 5th circle, square root of 5. So we're going from this point here all the way across. We just go over 1, up 2, over 1, up 2, over 1, up 2. So we have 3 lengths of the square root of 5. And then basically we just go from here, we go down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1 to that point. So again, 2 specific points defined by this pattern. 3 root 2, 2 root 2. We can easily create 5 lengths of the square root of 5 in that symbol. And then again, this length here is 2, that's 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. So each numeral incorporates the value of the number that it's representing, and it also, up to 5 anyway, managed to have, the square root version, or the same number of square roots as it represents. So there's another pattern that I noticed. If we look at the 1, we start on this point here, we go that curve up there and then down there. So again, a symbol with the length of 1 and that section of circle. If we look at the section that's sort of colored in of circle, the first circle is 1/6. The section of the numeral is 1/6 of the complete circle. The next circle is a quarter for 2. The 3 is half. There's no 4. The 5 is more than a half, but less than a whole circle. The 6 is a complete circle, 2 halves. 2 times 3 is 6. 8 is 2 circles. So that's an interesting pattern as well.